Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch theme to dark on Audible. So, once you open your Audible application, you want to go to your profile, then you want to go to the settings by pressing this icon in the top right corner, and then you have this option called theme. So now you can turn on the match device appearance and also change the theme to the dark. So as you can see, now the dark is on. My phone is really dirty, so I'm going to leave it to the light, because now you can see all the dirtiness of my phone, so this is better for me. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!